Hi guys, it's Martin here again from Blackpool Automart. We're windy Blackpool Automart today, as you can probably tell by the wind noise you're getting back through the microphone. So I'll try and shield it best I can. I do apologise in advance. It is getting a bit windy here at the moment. Anyway, what have we got here? We've got our 65 plate Nissan X-Trail, done 40,000 miles. I'm going to show you the mileage when we get in the car in a moment. It's just come into stock. It got part exchanged from our massive Honda dealership across the road yesterday. So we haven't touched this car other than put it on the forecourt because it's very, very clean. Obviously it will get valeted prior to it going out, and it'll get serviced by our Honda technicians as well over the road. So I just thought I'd put it on because it's an exceptionally clean car, this, and I just didn't want it sat in the compound for a week or so. So let's get it out there. They are very, very good news, these X-Trails. I do like them. They've got loads and loads of spec, and this is no different. It's got the pan roof, and it's got the tinted windows, it's got the nice black alloy wheels, and the stunning side steps that come with it as well. These are all optional extras, by the way. I'll just show you around. Electric tailgate, I'm just operating that with the key. Show you the boot size. That's that on. It's like it's got a rear camera on this as well. I don't know if that works. Yeah, it looks like someone's added a rear camera on the car. Anyway, big boot on these with obviously a cargo blind. Nice big size boot, and it's got the Lord mat, which looks like it's a genuine Nissan one. So anyway, let's just let that close for now, and then let's get inside the car. It's got parking sensors around the back of the car, parking sensors on the front, I think. And it looks like it's got a rear camera there as well, if I can just show you that. I think somewhere there, can you see that? That's the rear camera. Anyway, let's a bit dark around there, sorry about that. Let's get in the car and see what she's got. I'll just have a quick pan before I jump in and cover everything up. You can see it's not been cleaned out, as I mentioned earlier. It's even got X-Trail mats. Full leather, that's heated, as you can see the buttons down there. Heated leather seats, which is good. Electrically operated as well, up, down, forwards, backwards. A bit of lumbar support as well you can get with that. It's got cruise control, and that's on the steering wheel. It's got nav, it's a 6-speed manual, as you can see, and it's 4-wheel drive, and there's the 4-wheel drive selection mode knob in the middle. Let's jump in the car. It's keyless entry, this car, so the keys are in my pocket. Push button start, clutch down, foot on brake. She's obviously diesel. I'll just lower the seat. Blimey, it's high. There's me going down. Stair lift. Turn this off. Thank you. I'll just check that this camera's fine on it. Yeah, there's the camera, and there's the 360 view as well that you get on these, which is fantastic. It's beeping because I'm close to that barrier behind. That's why it's beeping, but that's a 360 camera view, and there's someone walking past. So that's good. And it's also got, like I said, cruise control, which is on the right hand side of a Nissan on the steering wheel. It's got the electronic handbrake. It's got a USB port and auxiliary there. And it's got, what's this here? I don't know what that is. That's a USB port, that in there, and it's got, oh, it's voltage. Okay, so that's a USB port, that's a USB port, that's an auxiliary, but that's got the voltage, what the car's running at, the battery's running at. That's handy. That must have been added by whoever owned it. Why you'd want that, I don't know, but it's just telling you where your battery's at, I suppose, making sure your battery's fully charged at all times. There's your heated seat switches. And I'm pretty sure this has got nav, because it's got everything. Yeah, it tells it's got navigation. I'd expect it to have that. And reverse camera, as you saw, it's got aircon, auto lights, auto wipers, folding mirrors, I think, if I press that button. There you go, yeah, so it's got folding mirrors. That can be set for when the car's locked. They fold in, which is handy for when you're parking in a tight spot. Mileage on the car is... yeah, there you go, I thought it was 43,092, so it's nice miles, lovely miles for a 6-year-old car. So it's done less than 10,000 a year. A 6-year-old car at 10,000 a year should be on 60,000, so this is on 43, so it's below average mileage. Like I say, it's not been cleaned or valeted, but that will all get done prior to the car going out. Just show you the back seats. There you go. Full leather, obviously. Centre armrest and Isofix as well. It's got Isofix for the child seats in there. And the piece de la resistance is the massive pan roof. Double. It's a double glass roof, this. And it does open as well, obviously. Some pan roofs are solid, but this does open and it tilts. So hopefully you can see that in operation. So it lets a load of light in the cabin. I'll just stop that blind from going back. Lets loads of light in the cabin, as you can see when the glass roof is the shades pulled the strut all the way back. Anyway, there you go. That's the diesel Nissan X-Trail 6-speed manual, done 43,092 miles. Tons of spec, as they always do. Nissan's bulletproof. Oh, you got a camera button here as well. Let's have a look what happens there. Oh, just you can just press it to show you reverse what's behind you. Sandy. Yeah, tons of spec, great miles. What more can I say? It's a lovely car. It's literally just through the door, so I don't see we're going to have any problems selling this car. It's just high spec cars seem to be selling really well at the moment. There are some temporary pictures online for this car. Like I say, I've just took a couple of it now. It's not been cleaned or valeted. If you want some more images of this car, by all means give me a shout. My name's Martin. I can get them to you, no problem at all. If you want any finance figures, I can get them to you as well. I can value your car. That can be done remotely. I don't need to see your car. If you can send me a couple of pictures of it, I can soon value that. Just one other thing, if you are distant from Blackpool, we offer a delivery service and it's free of charge at the moment. A lot of people are taking advantage of that. Used cars are selling really well at the moment. So give us a call. It's the only one we have. If it's something you want, by all means let us know. If you want like another video with a more personalised touch to it, I can send that to you. I'm just checking something on this car actually. Yeah, give me a shout if you want a more involved video where I can highlight areas that you want highlighted. I'm just looking at the size of the boot of this actually. Yeah, it's quite a big boot this. It's got different levels to it as well. Okay, just checking it was 7 seats as well. They do a 7-seater in this, but obviously this one isn't. Anyway, there you go. Let me know if you need any more info, any more pictures of this car. I'll get them to you, not a problem. We are open 7 days a week. Just a little bit later on a Sunday is 11 till 4. It's 6 o'clock during the week. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager here. Get me on 01253 600 900. Give me a call if you want any more info. Take care guys. Speak soon. Bye for now.